We are here today to protest the non-payment of our salary because we had signed on to the compensation review exercise on the 10th of February, and it was promised that we would have received such payment this month. We have received our pay advisory slip and payment has been made, and it did not include any form or shape of the compensation. The consequence, people have made commitment, given the obligation of loans to repay and all sort of commitment, and they are embarrassed today, and that is why they are here protesting non-payment.
What we want? Our money!